Welcome back to Stoner Magic, guys. On today's video, we're gonna see why Memories is sounding really weird when I drive her. By that, I'll show you the clip now. Alright, so let's go to the engine and see why it's acting like that. Because hopefully it's just like a wire to one of the coils and all that for a spark plug. If not, it's probably the blown piston. So let's hope for the best, guys. So the code said it was piston 3 or coil 3. So 1, 2, 3. Yep, just perfect. So let's go get wiring or some shit and fix that. Alright, so we got it the best we could. If we can't get one of the connections to keep these like this and get it, we'll have to replace this whole part right here. And I really don't want to do that. So let's hope the connection works. Where'd the connection go? Of fucking course, bro. Gotta make this even smaller. Please just twist and don't snap. Don't want to be going into town for this wiring bullshit. Fucking hate wiring anyways. It looks so fucking retarded, dude. Fuck, dude. Can't do that no more. Redo this. Get another fucking connection. One more time. Please just fucking work. Please fucking work. Yeah. Okay, hopefully, just hopefully, So it does not look good right now, but if this does work, we'll take this off and do it where it does look good. Alright, let's see the startup. Fuck, I forgot to connect the battery. Okay, now since the battery's connected, this time we can start it. Sounds better, not gonna lie. But we have to wait for her to idle down so we could rev it, but it's hot as shit. Hey, it sounds a lot better than when she was when I was revving her, so let's go take her on a drive real quick. Alright, so we've made it about like 2 miles, maybe 1.5 miles, and she's running perfectly fine and has better throttle response too than she did before, like that came out and all that. So might just say fuck it and leave it there, because if it was working that good, might not want to touch it. So let's go check the connection point though and see how it's doing. So it looks perfectly fine, not coming loose at all. We did a good job, not gonna lie. Let's take her back to the house and hopefully it stays like that. And that's a quick video for you guys. Alright, so the true test, we gotta launch this bitch, so let's see if it works. So I was gonna put some electrical tape just to hold it, but it came off, so I was gonna redo it. And then I looked right there. This one is fucked too. So at this point we're just gonna replace that now. Alright, so we finally got the connector piece now. It's just time to put it on and hopefully we do it correctly, because there is not a lot of time to do it because it's about to be dark and it looks like it's about to rain too. So let's get started. Dude, why isn't it cutting? Straight down here. There we go. Almost. Okay, now time to take all this electrical tape off. You gotta be kidding me, it's melted on, dude. Fuck it. Please work this way, because I don't want to do it the other way. Sweet, it did. hitting everything. Open. Of course, one of them had to be fucking difficult. Why is it only doing one side, bro? It's not okay. Let alone it ripped through the fucking wire. This shit's gonna piss me off. Come down this side. This way, we'll cut off that piece. We'll go down one size at a fucking time. Really? That's all we have to actually do now. Oh. Guess not. Okay. I mean, that's about the same length, I guess. Let's twist the ends just a tiny bit. Pretty sure this came with connections. Damn, sweet. No! Fuck. I'm not good with these. Well, that's one down. Just gotta go to the other fucking. I didn't want to go into the garage and get more. Let's try this one more time. Let's go this size this time. Damn, that scared the shit out of me. Yes! I did it. Okay. Next connection. I'll just put the wrapper in my pocket. Hopefully we could go 2 in 1 instead of like, well, 2 on instead of 2 off the first try. if that made sense. Please have done it. Well, we went 2 and 1 with 2 off the first try. Fuck. Hopefully this side isn't fucked up and we could get these first try. It shouldn't seem hard. But hey, we more mechanical stuff, not fucking electrical. Whoever likes electrical, you're a fucking pussy. Fuck! Well, I gotta go get 3 now. Alright, we got it all taped up, and yes, I know no one could beat my taping skills. But we got it plugged in, got that all connected. Now let's go start her, and if the idle sounds good, we'll tape all 3 of them, like, together, I guess, and take her on a drive. Alright, moment of truth if we actually did it right or not. Hurry up and idle down. No, didn't do it right. Fuck. Alright, so it's another day and all of that of trying to get that stupid ass connection piece in. And I had my dad help me with it, and I only messed up 2 of the wires, and that's why it made it a lot worse. But I drove her like 20 minutes after he like redid it for me or showed me how to do it, helped me and all that. And she's running perfectly fine now. And since like he taped up the connection piece, I'll show you the 2 wires I messed up on a different one. So see, it's all fixed here, but on it I flipped this wire and the one right here. So this was connected to this one and that was connected to that one down here. But thank you for watching Stoner Magic, guys. We'll see you in the next video.